turning back.
Steve, what are you doing?
There's good air conditioning on the way
What?
home.
What are you doing, buddy? Why are you so upset?
That is a good windshield.
Now, if zombies came after you, you'd be fucked. There you go.
Oh, dude, the seal came right out.
Nice.
Brake though. Yeah, did it break on the inside?
Nope, it pushed it out. It literally pushed it out.
Nice.
Okay.
That's good.
That might.
That might work.
Matt, you're
Oh,
way
yeah,
ahead.
the seal is like nice. So first, you kick the door.
You kick the door down.
You kick the window like Steve did to get
That's
the seal loose. Then you
that's
gotta take
step one.
all these screws out.
Okay.
Then I don't know what we're doing from there, but we're gonna figure it out. We've never done this. There's no YouTube tutorials. This is the first YouTube tutorial ever of how to replace a Stewart and Stevenson windshield.
Perfect.
So,
Do you need some help? Nick, maybe you should have him
there we go.
We got the master technician, Nick.
All right.
But I mean, it goes
Oh. Oh.
to my phone.
There we go.
Hold on.
Wrap the old one, start on the bottom, and just work it around.
Yeah.
Here, I'll come out there with you.
He's got to get the ladder. This is crazy.
I think we just grab it.
Probably grab it from the sides.
Yeah, grab it from the sides and walk it down.
Lift it up. Tipping it forward. You gotta lift up.
There we go. I'm off.
Alright,
All right, let me get the seal up.
I'm off.
All right,
You
you're
got
good.
it. You got it.
got it.
Walk straight.
Oh, look, it's just crystal clear now.
Okay, take it out. It's like
Spray
a
a
5-minute
silicone or soap and
process.
water all the way around this seal.
Clean it all up, and
Clean
then
it up
So-
and spray the shit out of
So,
First you kick it,
okay.
then you break the seal loose,
Okay.
then you try to use suction cups, but they don't work, so fuck the suction cups.
it. You gotta kick it really hard, like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah, like 3 or 4
that was
times.
like 10. Yeah, that was like 10.
Well, you may as well vacuum this shit out right away. Oh, you got a little rust.
But that's not a big deal. Just clean it up.
Just throw it outside.
Hey, look, there's more glass in there. I think it must have been replaced already.
So,
Maybe.
You know what's fucked up is it's
kinda
the
like a
inside part's
convertible
not broken.
now.
It's only
It's
the
like a
outside.
convertible. Let me go get a video of it
kinda
outside.
like a
So it's
convertible.
because it's a.
Oh, that's awesome.
Here. Now when you wipe your windshield, you'll be wiping your face.
Hey, you guys got glasses? This is.
Yeah, there you go. I got glasses.
There you go.
I'll just wipe my whole face off
Hey,
with the
glass
wipers.
wiper.
Yeah.
Dude, I've never had such a clear window. It's like I can almost like see.
It's crystal clear.
My detailing shop.
Everyone's on the table.
The window is so clear. Almost go through it. Oh wait, you can't. We need to see it.
Now you take it onto the deck, if you have a deck, and you lay it next to the other one so you can see exactly where the rotation or the alignment went.
Matt, I would really appreciate this video, but I'm too distracted by your ass crack. In every shot.
There you go, there's footage.
You have to ask.
Perfect.
Peels off.
Do your side first. Wow, that is like easiest windshield I've ever changed.
And it's still. Oh, wait. This part of it didn't go in. One part. Okay.
Only one part. Come on, Steve, we're already ready. Let's go.
Put it on, you think?
While we're putting it on,
No, you don't need to.
you don't need to.
Go on, just wait till we get it in.
Oh shit, that's rotted.
Falling through the deck.
Oh, dude, it just pops right in.
No,
Like,
this is just
easy
a
as
lubricant.
fuck.
Yep, just some silicone spray.
Getting it back in might be a little pain in the ass. But
To be expected though.
Yeah.
you have some fingerprints on your windshield. But
You can clean that.
aye, your end will be the hardest end, Steve.
Yeah, because we're going to stretch it over it.
And a glass company didn't want to do this. Like this would have been the easiest
No,
money they
because
ever
they're
made.
worried about breaking the glass, though.
It would-
Yeah, because I bought the glass.
But it still would have been the easiest money they ever made. Oh fuck, dude. This is great. So next year when it breaks again, we know what to do.
Can we get a +1 just in the center, just in case, you know, so we don't drop anything?
I got you. Paul, hold it.
My ladder's harder to get up than yours.
I know.
Should we have the suction cup holder on it?
That's what I was thinking, but
It's
it
fine.
didn't, it
We're
didn't
good.
stick.
At least.
Alright, you can let go, Williams.
a little bit out on the outside.
Is it just the gasket that holds it on, or is there like a...
Just the gasket.
Shit.
You don't have to put silicone in there?
Nope.
So I'll keep track of everybody and everything.
Perfect.
Shit, I owe Steve for that.
There you go. Let's come back up.
What we're gonna do is, Steve, you're gonna lift your end up a little bit. We're gonna lift your end up. We're gonna slide the whole thing this way a little bit.
All right. All right.
Yep, there we go.
Now you gotta work it. Just work it.
Just working that?
The way you work it. Oh, like...
Yeah, they sprayed some Dawn dish soap and water and lubed it up, and now they're trying to
There we go.
work all the
Balance
rubber in.
3 different depths.
Okay, there you go. I can't see where the bottom is. I know, Steve, you gotta come. There you go.
The bottom is in, isn't it?
No, we gotta come down a little. We gotta get down, see where this line is. That's where the bottom of that is.
Oh shit. Do we have more of these plastic tools?
Oh, there we go. Oh, no, that's even better. Hold on. Matt, ringers up just a little bit. Okay. Oh, I'm so close. I need a fucking... Do you have any kind of hook tools? Like a pick? Like with a hook on it?
Yeah.
Where is it? Do you know?
Go get it. Got it?
Yep.
Gonna use this guy.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's see if this will work. So far, so good. There we go. Coming to the corner. Corner's out. Come on, baby.
Ew. Ooh.
There's no local ordinance.
No, that doesn't apply though.
All right, that corner's in. Should I just keep going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta go down yet. So I probably gotta get his in.
Yeah.
Good to there. Oh, it's tighter.
Want me to lean it out a little, or
Hold on, I'm just trying to figure out where I'm at here.
you almost need a longer screwdriver.
Yeah, if you can lean out just a little bit.
All right, man. If you could just keep yours pushed a little against it, and then I'll pull mine out. We'll just kind of twist it.
Oh, fucker.
Yeah, it's down all the way.
All right,
It
perfect.
will seal right up right now.
Perfect. So I'm gonna run this side up
Gonna be keeping the wheel a little.
just a little bit.
L2 coming in clutch.
Nice.
Try not to break it on you.
I know, I don't even know where to find those. I'm sure I can get it on.
Harbor Freight.
Okay.
They got hook tools like all different kinds.
Oh, really? I should probably go get a set.
Yeah, I had Harbor Freight one down. I broke them.
Matt.
Oh, I love mine.
I just haven't had. Every time I go there, I don't think I need them, and then I need them.
Look at that shit.
Yep.
I'm in the corner. Should I do that side now? Oh.
This guy's a maniac. He's doing fabulous.
A lot easier than we thought, huh?
Because you got Nick here.
I'm the real shenanigan.
That thing is
It's garbage.
garbage, dude.
There you go. You got it.
Hey, I'm to the corner now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm to the corner. Fucking sun is killing me. Yeah, there's sun out there. A little bit, Steve. Not a lot, but there's something. Oh, oh, come on, baby. I'm in. Now the long walk.
There you go.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh my god.
We're good.
Trying to pull the pry bar so.
I might kill your wife, but we're good.
Yeah. Nope.
Oh.
What's your technique?
Bounce it.
Bounce it. Bounce it.
We should open up a windshield replacement.
Yeah.
Hey, you got your next customer right in line here. Me. I need that.
It might get harder from here on out.
No, it's actually I lubed the whole inside and now it's going on good.
That's what she said.
That's how it's done.
And that's how it's done. Thank you,
This
sir.
is the most important tool. Get one of these. Harbor Freight, they're really cheap.
I didn't even get this from Harbor Freight. This came with my decal kit.